Antix is a fast, lightweight and easy-to-install Linux Live CD distribution based on Debian's stable branch for x86 compatible systems. Antix offers users the Antix magic in an environment suitable for old computers. The goal of Antix is to provide a light, but fully functional and flexible free operating system for both newcomers and experienced users of Linux. It should run on most computers, ranging from 256 MB old PIII systems with pre-configured swap to the latest powerful boxes. 256 MB RAM is recommended minimum for Antix. The installer needs minimum 2.7 GB hard disk size. Antix can also be used as a fast booting rescue CD, or unlive on a USB stick, with or without persistent file storage. Antix 17.1, Heather released. This is primarily an upgrade of Antix 17 with a new Meltdown, Spectre patched kernel and a few new applications for users to enjoy. The 32-bit version uses a non-PIII kernel. So what has changed since Antix 17 release? New 0.4.9.87 patched for Meltdown, Spectre kernel. All packages upgraded to Debian 9.4. Legend now included on full and base flavors. UDF updated from 3.2 to 3.5. Firefox SR upgraded to 52.7.1. LibreOffice version 5.2.71. XF86 Video Sys Immediate Antix, latest version for Sys graphics. Improved localization including new languages offered Amharic. New added. Repo Manager, ported from Antix Linux, GUI to easily set up default repositories. Antix Viewer, ported from Antix Viewer, very simple viewer to display an URL. Live USB Maker GUI Antix, ported from Antix Linux as a front end to the Antix Live USB Maker application.